Guys, guys. Come on, man. I have great news. As y'all can see, I got funded again, bro. Look at this. March 24th, I got funded. It, like, I don't even know. I'm at a loss for words, bro. Like, I felt like I was going to get funded on this 50K, and it was just a steady uptrend, bro. Literally just a steady uptrend, man. So, I'm going to just take you guys through how I got funded again and how I plan on keeping this account, you know. So basically how I got funded again, just a little journey for you guys, just to backtrack a little bit. Long story short, I got funded back in August 2024, August 22nd or 23rd, and I had that account for 4 months and I was going steadily up, and then I just started steadily going down. It took a while, and I lost that funded account in December of 24. So that was like in the middle of December, and then I lost that, and I just stopped trading for the year. And then I went for 150K in the beginning of 2025, January, and I lost that. And I'm like, yo, like I felt confident going into the year. And then I realized why these setups were losing. I literally made a video on that. But I started this account, and as you can see, it was just up from here, bro. Like I figured some things out, and I was like, bro, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get funded, bro. We got this. So in 17 trading days, I got funded, which took low-key seems like a while, y'all. And I probably could have got it quicker if I risked a little more. But I'm trying to practice good discipline, bro, because even though you have a 50K account right here, you really are only playing with $2,000. You're only playing with $2,000, bro. You can only lose 2K, and it follows you. It literally follows you. Like if you get to 51K, you could only get down to 49K. So I mean, once you get over 52K, it kind of just stays there. But your daily loss limit doesn't. It follows you. But, bro, I had to keep that in perspective. So I'm only risking around 300 a trade, like 2 to 300. I'm nothing more, nothing less. So that's exactly what I did, y'all. And I had to reset this because I was tripping in the beginning. Like I just didn't follow my plan. I was already down like a band. So I was like, all right, we're gonna restart it. And it was up from there, bro. It was up from there. So y'all can see it was just a steady increase. So how did we get funded? Right here. This right here, bro. The new trading plan. Breakout strategy. We're gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the trade that actually got me funded. So this is just a great example of a trade because this is the breakout strategy. So the consensus is you want to be trending. You want to be trending very well. And you want price to pull back to the 50 EMA, and you want it to react to the point where it closes above the 13 EMA. It has to touch the 50 and it has to close above the 13. The next candle after that has to break above the previous candle that broke above the 13 EMA. So that's exactly what happened here. This was the last trade. I'm like, okay, this goes straight with the plan. We're going up. We made a nice pullback. It was healthy. And here's where I entered, because you see this one closed above the 50, right? But this next candle didn't, close right here. So this is where I entered, and we went for the 1-to-1, and the 1-to-1 was secured, y'all. The 1-to-1 was secured. We didn't even need to get a 1-to-1 on this trade, because I only needed a couple more dollars to get funded. As you can see, I was at basically 52.9K. So I just waited till I got to 53 and I got out this trade. But this is a solid trade, man. This is a solid trade. So I want to show you guys also the 2-to-1s. Like I can also go for 2-to-1s on this now. So look, there's two instances right here actually. So you can see this is a breaker structure right here. This broke structure. This is a zone, y'all. This is a zone. This is the first zone, by the way. So from here, you can see it already closed above, and then boom, it goes up. We have the zone. So when it's a zone and you have the 50-13 EMA breakout, that's when I'm going to go for 2-to-1s now. Because I back tested it and I realized that it really does go for 2-to-1s. So that was the first one, 2-to-1 secured, right? We also have a zone right here. giving y'all sauce, bro. Like, hopefully this just keeps on working. I back tested it for a little bit and got some good data. So here's the second zone, which is definitely a better breaker structure, and we're already above, the 13 and the 50. And then boom, you got your 1-to-1 right there. But I'm pretty sure it goes for 2-to-1 too. I'm actually not too sure. It may not. But it's close. It's close. Let's see if it does. I just want to see if it does real quick. Yeah, it does. It goes for it eventually. It goes for it eventually, man. But past 11, I'm gonna be out the trade anyway. So it already gave a 1-to-1. But yeah, this was solid, bro. This was solid. This is basically what the strategy is, bro. It's a breakout strategy, and it works very well for me. Works very well for me. This was the setup on Monday, and that's all I took this week so far. Like on Tuesday, I had a little incident where I couldn't buy my account. Like I kept getting like denied to buy it, so I had to open a ticket, talk to the Top Step bot, and it wasn't helping me. So I tried so many different things, different cards, and it finally worked. So Tuesday I wasn't able to trade. Wednesday I just didn't trade, and then Thursday there were no setups. So now we're gonna see what's up tomorrow. But yeah, we haven't started our Express account yet. But as you can see, y'all, 79% win percentage, bro. 79%. I'm just gonna show you guys the stats. Like it is what it is, man. Great win percentage. I'd rather just go for the 1-to-1s. You know what I mean? I'd rather go for the 1-to-1s than go for a higher RR and a lower win rate. For me personally, my psychology, I need to see dubs, bro. I need to see dubs. Like if I see a dub, it's a great day. If I see a 2-to-1, it's cool. Like it's great. Obviously, it's very great. But I like seeing consistent wins. So another thing I wanted to point out, y'all, is that Top Step charges you $50 each time, each month. So this first month, I got charged 3 times: January, February, and then March, because I actually started this on the 21st, and then I took my first trade on the 24th. So yeah, I got charged 3 times. It's the 18th where I'm so close to getting funded, and I literally am just like, bro, there's no setups. Like there's no setups occurring, so I'm just not gonna take anything. You know what I mean? So I waited. I got charged again, but I waited for this trade right here, and I got funded. So don't have that $50 charge rush you, y'all, because in the long term, that $50, you gonna make it back if you stay disciplined, bro. You gonna make it back if you stay disciplined, man. Those monthly payments do suck, but trust me, man, long term, I think we'll be all right, y'all. Like, I'm in the same spot as y'all. I'm still trying to get up there in the rankings, get better, become a full-time trader. But as you can see, like, I was able to be consistent for 2 months. I did miss some trades here and there, but I definitely feel like I am going to stay consistent, and I'm going to keep you guys updated with that. So, yeah, we're funded again, man. We're funded again. That just showed that we can actually do it, y'all. And I've been trading in my trading journal. Some of the stuff is personal here. I haven't been trading it. I've been writing in it, but some of the stuff is personal, so I'm not gonna, show it. But that's something that's been helping me stay afloat too. So yeah, I feel good, y'all. Just let me know if you want a video on like this strategy. I mean, you see it right here, but if you want an in-depth video, I got y'all, man. I got y'all, because this works very well. It's cool, man. It's cool. So, hopefully it just keeps on working well. Just going with the trend, doing what I got to do. Making sure that I continue to be disciplined with this trading plan too, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. We're going to go in depth one day. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. If there's something that you learned, just take your time, be patient, be disciplined, and things will go your way.